Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie and I don't often show my face on this side of the camera, but I thought it was about time. I wanted to share with you what I am doing in the month of September. I'm actually organizing a fall organization challenge, and it's just really meant to help give ourselves a boost in getting our craft spaces organized and back together. Okay, so the challenge is going to run from September 4th for 4 weeks. Each week or each Saturday in that 4-week period, I will be issuing you a prompt for the upcoming week. And as homework leading up to that challenge, I encourage you to think about the top 5 things in your craft space that are driving you crazy, and think about how much time you're willing to allot or able to allot during the 4 weeks, and then kind of partition those tasks out accordingly. So it may mean you might not be able to tackle all 5. Maybe you take one and you partition it into smaller bits. So for instance, if you can, let's say you decide to allocate 15 minutes a day, you would want to break up your tasks into 15-minute increments so that you can hopefully tackle it each day of the challenge. Or if you're going to be like me, I am going to save all of my organization for 2 Zoom calls that I am organizing. I am calling them Chat and Sort. These are calls where basically we'll just get together, talk all things crafting, organization, and work through whatever it is that we need to work through. So, if I've got to sort through a bin, I can do that while I'm chatting with people. The 2 Zoom calls will be on the 10th and the 24th. So they are Friday evening, and they will run from 5 to 8 p.m. Pacific. So that would be 7 to 10 Central, and no rules. If you want to fold laundry while we're having our chat, that's fine. It's just, meant to encourage and support each other throughout the challenge. So if that is something you are interested in, if you are not part of our Facebook group, and you wish to be, of course, be sure to go and look that up. I will include a link below, and basically we'll get you into the group and all the details are there. If Facebook's not your thing, no worries, we got you covered. Just email me at creativelycraftedlife@gmail.com, and I will email you the Zoom links so you can still participate. Again, just to reiterate, before Saturday, think about the top 5 things that are driving you crazy and figure out your schedule and kind of break things down so that you're ready to go come Saturday. I hope you're going to join me in this challenge. Again, it's just for fun and to encourage you and get some momentum going. So until then, happy organizing and happy crafting.